Jere ırakan yahınga final sağlanına Petriashvili Aggul.
Coming back from a shoulder surgery that sidelined him for a while in 2020. Won the Rio Olympic gold in 2016.
Bu bağıştır Avrupa andaydı olimpiyada kurakta hileriger elbette görüşen tustu bu bağıştır. Min ağıbınan kinler şeddete görüşü bittire. Onu aqa bilingite tüet üç aksanından Petriashvili Aggul inniki her. Bu sırıga jakaydak bolar.
He said, I retired. And after that Olympic finals, I told my coaches I'm done. And they convinced me to come back for the Oslo World Championships. And then after I lost the Oslo World Championships, I retired again. But when I came back for the Oslo World Championships, it was to forget about the Tokyo Olympic Games. And I still haven't forgot about it, so that's why I'm here. To try and win a European title to erase those memories from the Tokyo Olympic Games. And I don't know, even if he wins here, if that'll ever be erased from his mind. But he did say, Eric, I wasn't 10 seconds.
Bu bağıştır kapsıhılara qahan bağırar naha tınağın naqtı kunası tıtık barar. Bilingite 3-0 aksanından Aggul kıyani her. Yağı gınan baran op eşekki bağlı hurunna. Beş nul balla.
Starting to look like the World Finals against Amir Zari of the Islamic Republic of Iran, or mirroring their meeting in Bucharest at the 2019 European Championships. First period in the books.
Bastakı tühümer bütte.
Capturing both legs, securely bringing Petriashvili down for 2.
Bu. Üçü atak tahım bolla. Je Geno Petriashvili qotran yer kehi salgı qaytak tustarga bulanamıdın sonunda horumudun bilin koyuyak büyt. Kapsıhı qamıdın ulardardı soğuktu. İki balıllah.
Charging corner, does not want to work Parterre, goes back to the feet.
Eşe dağını tuaqta billibet.
Curious why he didn't want to work in Parterre when you think back to the Tokyo Olympic Games against Gable Steve's
Bileme var.
turns. From Parterre, gut wrenches to be exact. How he changed the course of that match. That's where he's so good, but Taha is a big body and Geno knows he has 2 minutes of energy left in the tank, and he's going to use those on his feet.
Petriashvili doing a much better job at taking ground in the second period. First period, he would have continued to backpedal a little bit. That time, he dug his heels in deep.
Bu bagaçlar tustuğların
Near the edge.
bılırgı
Way through this final period,
Arsen Mekakishvili wana Kamit Kaplan
he smothered effectively the hits. The
diyen atırбыт tustuqtar Olimpiska çempionlar sirey körsen kapsıhıların kurduksan yakahap. Ol salgıda.
Geno got deep on that right leg.
Tursiya wana Gruziya
From a single to
warakan yahanga atırбыт tustuqtarın
tried to get in on the right.
kirsilerin salgıların kurduk görüyor kahap.
Corral him off. Now he switches
O giyona jütü ataktata oguna var.
head to the outside shot. He's going to elevate that leg. Agul trying to reach
Agul
over the
berbet.
top with a grip. Petriashvili still in good scoring position. Switches to a double. Doesn't have it yet.
Dördüncü hükümde kaldı.
How about the
Oo.
Agul?
Elitin hıktan kaviste. Anı bilgin belediye kuttol öskaydı.
Now if he can clear out his left leg, keeps circling. But the official jumps in.
Bekte kiren baran.
Petriashvili finishes.
Satan açkol bata.
Any wrestler on the planet but Agul right there.
Bu Najmi Gencalp'ten. Olimpiske prizyor.
full knee slide.
Seulga bu tonyularga. Finalga.
Perfect as it gets.
Kareska qotar bu boğaz.
Right, 99 out of 100 wrestlers he finishes on, but not this one.
Petriashvili
Bilgin Tursiya kamalatı trenerinden öldür.
at the clock. One more glance.
Wanca hükümde kaldı. 5-2. Taha gul.
Look. 5 seconds.
Kıyıga çugas.
Seconds. Another challenge.
Kıyda.
Times 9 for Turkey's Taha Agul. His
Sirey kösü aksana 5-3 valla.
medal.
Taha agul tuhatigar.
The greatest European rivalry of the last decade. Both of these guys, class acts. You hate to see one of them lose.
Köröçü turaktar albaktır evet. Taha agul.
Taha Agul victorious.
Avrupa çempiondan bolla.
And you see the respect between these two competitors. Geno Petriashvili, just two terrific ambassadors for the sport of wrestling. The way it is supposed to be done when you watch these two guys compete each and every year. And this sight never gets old for Turkey. And it feels like they've just been pushing the rewind button every year because it's the same ending every year. Agul atop of this continent. And a European
Etergalı
championship.
boğaz kıyıta doydu yürüyde. Turaktar gördüler.